Hello everyone, I am Shivani from Pacorr Testing Instrument. Today we are going to show you how our tensile testing machine works in simple, easy to understand way. Whether you are an engineer, a student, or simply curious about how materials are tested for strength, this video is for you. Introduction to the machine. At Pacorr, we design our machines to be reliable and user-friendly. A tensile testing machine is used to determine the strength and flexibility of materials like metals, plastics, and composites. It helps us see how much force a material can withstand before it stretches, deforms, or finally breaks. How it works? Let's walk through the process step by step. First, preparing the sample. The material sample is prepared and then carefully placed between two strong clams. These clams hold the sample securely so that the force is applied evenly during the test. Second, applying the force. Once the sample is secured, our machine's motor begins to work. It slowly and steadily applies a pulling force to the sample. As the force increases, the materials start to stretch. This gradual increase is controlled precisely to ensure that every test is consistent. Third, measuring the response. As the material stretches, built-in sensors like load cells and extensometers come into play. These sensors measure two important things. First, force. They track how much force is being applied. Second, elongation. They record how much the material is stretching. This information is sent to the computer, which creates a graph called a stress-strain curve. This curve helps us understand the material's behavior, including elastic region, yield point, ultimate strength. Elastic region, where the material returns to its original shape if the force is removed. Yield point, where the material starts to deform permanently. Ultimate strength, the maximum force the material can handle before breaking. At Pacorr, our tensile testing machines are built to provide accurate and reliable data. This data is essential for quality control and helps ensure that materials meet the required safety and performance standard in various industries. For more information, visit pacorr.com and contact us directly 888-2149230.